Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Start by examining the clip and hinge closely with a bright light. Look for missing screws, bent hinges, or worn pads before you begin repairs. Gently open and close the clip to feel resistance and alignment. Measure any gaps using a 0.5 mm feeler or thin paper strip. Check whether the clip base is metal, plated, or plastic before selecting tools. Note any loose decorative parts or glue residue around the hinge area. If a screw is loose, tighten it using a precision Phillips screwdriver size 00. Work slowly and hold the clip steady during tightening to avoid stripping threads. For a bent clip arm, use needle nose pliers to realign it with gentle pressure. Reposition small misaligned parts in short, controlled movements to prevent overbending. When pads or decorations are loose, apply a tiny drop of jeweler's glue and clamp for 1 minute. Wipe excess glue with a cotton swab dampened in alcohol. For worn pads, replace them with silicone pads sized about 3.5 mm diameter for comfort. If a spring or hinge is broken, source matching jewelry replacement parts before starting. Remove old components carefully and install new parts with fine tweezers and small screws. After replacement, test the clip fit on your ear for stability and even pressure. Clean the earring with mild soap and water and dry thoroughly to remove oils. Store repaired earrings in a padded box to prevent future damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.